The top 5 jobs that artificial intelligence will replace. Are we gonna lose our jobs? Is artificial intelligence coming for our jobs? Well, the situation is quite intense with advances in AI, and it won't be wrong to say that we are at risk of becoming unemployed. Here are the top 5 jobs that are at risk of getting replaced with artificial intelligence. Number 5. Tech jobs. Coders and software engineers have always been in demand, but now it doesn't seem quite the same, as AI tools are performing the jobs quite well, actually many folds better and quicker. Tech jobs like coders, computer programmers, software engineers, and data scientists are displacing more of their work. With the passage of time, these jobs are getting pretty amenable to artificial intelligence. Let me explain how. AI tools are not only good at crunching numbers with relative accuracy, but also work faster than humans, which cuts down the number of employees needed in an organization. AI-powered tools and platforms can automate repetitive coding tasks, such as debugging, testing, and code optimization, which can save developers significant time and effort. It improves code quality, as AI helps identify coding errors and vulnerabilities. With AI-powered tools, developers can build applications faster and with higher accuracy, which enables detecting and fixing bugs quickly and speeding up the development process. AI tools facilitate software development, as AI can provide insights into code repositories and help identify patterns in large data sets, which can aid in software development. And of course, if a human does this job, that will take quite some time. Number 4. Market research analysts. Next job on the list that is at risk of getting replaced by AI is market research analysts. We all need to agree on how amazingly AI analyzes data and predicts outcomes. That is why market research analysts seem to be susceptible to AI-driven change. AI is performing the roles and job duties of market research analysts in a much seamless way. These professionals are responsible for collecting data, identifying trends within that data, and finally, using what they found to come up with an effective marketing campaign or decide where to place advertising. And this is what we are now seeing that AI could handle without any pain. Number 3. Content creators. Content creators seemingly are at risk of getting replaced, as AI is filling the gaps. Various AI tools are automating mundane tasks, such as grammar checking, spelling correction, and formatting. So who needs a technical writer now? AI-driven programs are not only saving precious time, but also simplifies research and analysis. Artificial intelligence is enhancing content creation, as we can create content more efficiently with the help of AI. All we need to do is suggest relevant topics, generate outlines, and even draft initial versions of the text. All of this happens within the blink of an eye, so technical writers surely need to think what else can help them generate revenue. Content creation is not a big deal with AI algorithms, as it has made the entire process quite seamless, enabling the organization of large amounts of data into clear, concise, and structured documents. Number 2. Traders. Traders are potentially getting replaced by artificial intelligence. For sure, Excel modeling can be done a lot better, faster, and accurate by robots rather than humans. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data and quickly identify patterns and trends that humans may not notice. And that's completely understandable, as human error does exist. AI is capable of making improved decisions regarding investments, trades, and risk management. Moreover, AI tools can automate certain trading processes, such as trade execution, order routing, and risk management. AI can predict market trends and identify potential opportunities and risks by analyzing news articles, social media trends, and other data sources. It might be surprising for you that AI can make personalized investment recommendations. AI-powered investment platforms can analyze a trader's trading history, preferences, and risk tolerance to provide personalized investment recommendations. This helps in generating a more diverse and effective portfolio. Number 1. Graphic designer. There was a time when graphic designers were high in demand, but time never stays the same, they say. AI is acting as a game changer in this case. Who will feel like hiring a graphic designer when AI is doing this job within a few clicks? AI tools streamline the design process thanks to the advanced AI algorithms. This makes it easier to pick an image, layout design, font, and create a perfect blend of colors. That's not all. AI-powered design tools can generate multiple design options based on a set of parameters provided. This enables you to quickly explore different design possibilities and variations. If you think that artificial intelligence is not creative, you're mistaken. AI can provide inspiration and generate new ideas beyond your imagination. It enables you to explore different design possibilities and create innovative designs that may not have been thought of otherwise. Who knows if the list of jobs at risk due to AI continues to grow? Hope you get some value out of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked watching this video. Make sure to smash the bell icon and hit the subscribe button.